Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Talk. Today we're gonna learn how to remove green screen from an existing video with Premiere Pro CC. Nowadays lots of animated videos are available in internet with green screen and you can use them to produce your own video by removing only the green screen. And there are various ways we can do this. I will show you how can we do this with key effects in Premiere Pro. First, you need to import your new video with green screen into Premiere Timeline. And play the video till green screen appear in preview screen. Then from Effects, search for a effects called Key and choose the Ultra key from the list. Drag and drop the key effect on your video and then go to Effects Control. From Ultra key feature, choose the color drop icon from there. Click the green color on your video from preview screen with the color drop icon. The green screen will disappear instantly. Thanks for watching. Hope you can do this on your own now. Bye bye.